So over here in ILoveIMG, you can go ahead and upload out the content that you want to process in multiple ways. So over here, you can see that there are multiple tools right here. So I can go around right here and let's say, for example, click on resize image right here. And you can see that I can go ahead and select out the image that I want to resize. I can go ahead and select it. And then let's say, for example, select out an image from my computer and click on open right here. Apart from that, I can go around over here. Let me just click on resize image again. I can go around over here and drop the image file directly over here as well. For example, I got this particular folder, so I can simply go ahead and click and drag it and drop it out right here just like this. Apart from that, I can go around over here and then select out images directly from my Google Drive account as well. For example, if I were to go ahead and click out right here, this is what you have right here. So you can go ahead and then click on TutorTube channel like my Gmail right here, and then you can go ahead and select out an image directly from your Google Drive as well. You can go around over here onto resize image, and then you can see that select images from Dropbox is an option as well. So you can go ahead and click right here, and as you click on it right here, this is what you have. So you have access to the images from Dropbox. So you can go ahead and select it and click on choose right here just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and upload out images in different ways to go ahead and process it out in ILoveIMG. You can even go ahead right here and select out multiple images right here just by clicking and dragging as well. And then over here in the add more image section, you can click to add in more images from over here. Or you can go around and then let's say, for example, select out the image from Google Drive right here, right from the section as well, or upload it out from Dropbox as you wish as well, just like this. So this is basically the ways to upload out content inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe